We'll start here. It's 19 July 2025, and I'm going to let this play for a minute or so while I fire this up for Facebook. 3, 2. Okay, we're live on Facebook again. Today is 19 July 2025. All right. See, yeah, I see it. Okay, so I'm playing a Toshiba RT-SF7. It's red, but you can't see that. I have to step back. You really can't see that because I have it zoomed in. Let's see here. Let me zoom it out some. There, now you can see it. It's right there. Okay, so let me zoom that back in. So I just want to show you that I got power. That's working, so let me hit stop. Eject. The reason why this is here because that's what I'm going to unbox is another one of these. Because I have a fascination with this model. Okay, I just like it. Okay. This is the American version. This is the RT-8056. Same exact same, but just American. All right. We're not going to go there right now. And then I have another one. Oh gosh. Another one. It's black. Okay. But it's anyway. There it is. Okay. But we're up here about this JVC. What is it? JVC RC-747. That, anyway, long story there. I'm not going to explain it all right now. Just want to show you that this is the motor I took out. See, you can see it. Let's see if I hit the right. Did I hit the right button to begin with? I did start that. Okay, so if I zoom this one in, you can't see that. Wait, zoom, zoom, zoom. Come on, it works. There we go. Oh, well, it's out of focus now. Well, come on. Maybe, okay, there we go. So, yeah. Hopefully you can see that. That's the motor that came out of here. And the little hole here is all burnt with I don't know what, but the motor spins, but it doesn't work electrically. All right. So there's that. Took that out. Put another motor in. The main issue is that someone has already been inside of this machine before I got it, more than 8 years ago. Because I got it more than 8 years ago. Because 8 years on Facebook, somebody sent me. I'm going to say the wrong name, Cida Amida from Brazil, sent me the parts for the cassette deck because the one I had, the pinch roller mechanism was broken. Anyway, enough of that. So the one I have in here works, however, the power supply and regarding related circuit boards, there is 4 capacitors that are 2 in the circuit board, 1 in the center of the circuit board, and 1 next to the motor have been changed or replaced, or I don't know. But they're not original, because I know what original looks like. You can see what the original ones are. They're the light blue. The newer ones are much smaller, and I don't know what the values are because I cannot find the schematic for this model. However, if you discount the cassette player, even though it has a new motor in there, and it will rotate if it gets enough voltage. I don't know what the proper voltage is, and I can't figure that out, and I don't have, I'm not in love with it. I got so many models in here. But anyway, I want to play it for you. So I have a CD player plugged into the CD input. So here's the CD player. Put it on CD, give it some volume. Turn this on. Play, come on. That's plugged in. This is on as soon as it queues up. Any day now. It's got power. Some stereo. Oh, it's not playing anything. Play some. Have it in the wrong hole, no wonder. It's supposed to be in this hole. player would play the radio. All right, put it on the radio. Let's see here.
And the other thing is keep it simple.
You got shortwave 2, shortwave 1, and you got medium wave, which is AM. You can turn it off. It's got stereo mono, it's got tone, left and right volumes, record muting, and of course it's got line in. All right. But I just wanted to show you that to you, that this does work, just not the cassette player. All right, so here, let me unplug this so I can get this out of the way, the CD player out of the way, this here, all right, get my scissors, put this here, put that there, get my tape here, move this down, all right, so that plug. Expensive electricity, I prefer batteries, but anyway. Here's the back of it, right? Wait, I gotta widen this thing out because I'm not wide enough. So here, wide out all the way. Okay, all the way. And this is what it looks like in the front. Looks like on the top. I'll come back to you. All right, so now that's what it looks like on the top. No scratchiness in the controls. Looks like on the front. This end, which is your business end. So there's your business end, all right. Hopefully you can see all that, all right. Got everything you ever wanted for it. This takes 8D batteries, 8 batteries in the back. Got a clean battery compartment. All right, so much for that. All right, too much fun here. Now let me get to this here. I have it's a little bit open, whatever. Okay, so got my scissors, got a tape, got that. I can see myself. No one's watching me on Facebook. It's all right. It's Saturday, dinner time for most people. So like that. So. Okay, so there we go. Here's this. This. They only wrapped it in newspaper. Oh, take that back. Okay, so here's some you know, if you can read that, there we go. There's some angry looking guy, whatever. Okay. And then here it is, and we got more newspaper in the bottom. All right, so yay-hoo. Okay, so there it is, there's that. Here it is, it's red. Well, it's over there now, but okay. I believe the listing said that the radio worked and the cassette player plays, but not at the right speed, which means that the belt is needed in this model. I know this because I've prepared, anyway, so many of these. Just takes one 5-inch belt. Everything is geared, operated from the everything else. All right. So, okay, here it is. Still has a door sticker. Even has a cassette in it. Uh-oh. That might be an issue. Why is there a cassette in here? Well, came with a cassette. How about that? Triple Best by Philips. So there's a Philips Triple Best. I don't know what that means, but okay. So we got that. That's good. All right, so where'd my power cord go? Okay, give me my power cord. Put some electricity around here. So here, let's plug it in. What do we get? It's off. Turn it on. That'd be the tape. This would be the radio. We got power. Turn the volume. Put it here. Oh, that's right. There we go. Good, both speakers work. Alright. Uh-oh, there's some of that black stuff right there. Okay, let's see what let's tape rotate. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so drop that in, hit play, turn this off to tape. Wait, on. Okay, the tape fast forwards and goes the other direction and needs the belt. Okay, so, yep, nope, not doing that. Okay, so, needs some serious cleaning on this one. It's, oh here, I'll let you see it. Okay, so, the other one I have is prettier than this one, but this one still, it's red. It needs some work, but at least maybe I just changed parts out, I don't know. This would be because there it is like that, looks like that. This has line in, okay, right there. I know, so that one looks like this, like that on the top. So this is off, tape, radio, and then line in, and then this is your radio, and this is your tape selector, I'm sorry, stereo, mono, stereo, and stereo wide. Then you got your volume, your tone, and your mic mixing. This is mic mixing, tone, volume. Anyway, then you got headphones, and your inputs right there. Okay, it's complete. Anyway, so that's it for that right there. I'm going to stop this and turn my CD player off. Still running. Stop. Here we go. Okay, so something else to repair. Yay. Okay. So, see, I turned this one on first, right? So turn this off first. Okay, so there it is. We'll just take a picture of here. How can we do this? Okay, here, pick this up. Right here, pick this up here. Put that there. The JVC on top of another Toshiba. This out of the way. All right. And there's that. Put the motor on top of that. And take a picture. All right, so 13 minutes. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Turn it off. Bye.